Many of you have been asking this question of what has inspired me to start sharing things on social media and starting a YouTube channel. I firmly believe that something good is coming out of this pandemic. One of the good things that has happened in my life is I've decided to start sharing the good news and evangelize not just to a group of young people in my church, but to the whole world, to as many people as I can. And the best way I thought of doing that is through social media. I just want to share with you how starting a YouTube channel has helped me personally in my journey of faith. One of the reasons why I decided to start sharing things on social media, even though it's not in my comfort zone, is because of the love of God that compels me. Like St. Paul says, when you have experienced something beautiful, you cannot keep it in. You want to share it with others. When I really experienced the love of God, it removed all fear out of me, even the fear of death, even the fear of losing everything, because I know where I came from and where I'm going back to. So when you experience Jesus, it's something that changes your whole being. It changes you as a person in a good way. So don't be afraid to introduce God in your own life. Like Pope Benedict XVI said, when you let Christ into your life, you lose nothing, absolutely nothing. The second reason is it keeps me in check. So I got to practice what I preach. So that has helped me stay in a close relationship with Jesus, because if I'm not able to practice what I'm saying to you, there's no point sharing it. Point number 3. Purpose over popularity. Being able to do these videos has given me a sense of purpose, a sense of mission, and a satisfaction that I am using my full potential to serve Christ in this current situation. Point number 4. It keeps me out of trouble. Usually, if I didn't have anything to do, I'd probably be lazing around. But since I started doing these YouTube videos, it takes a lot of time and effort to prepare, to practice, and to edit the videos. So it has definitely made good use of my time during this situation, during this pandemic. The 5th point is to inspire young people to not be afraid to share about Christ. It does not make us less popular or less cool in the society. In this current generation, we need more people to share the good news, to share about Christ. And if me and you don't do it, who will? The 6th, which is the final and the most important point. I realized that these videos are having an impact on people in a good way. After I shared the first video, I had feedback and personal messages from a lot of people saying that they were going through a difficult time, and after watching the video, it has helped them, it has made them feel better. I pray that every time I release a video, it will touch the heart of at least one person. I also want to point out to you that I've had several challenges because it is a commitment to share videos on a regular basis. One of the challenges being the time, because I'm also working, so I have to make time to prepare the session. Then I have to send it for reviews to make sure that that the contents are okay, and also I have to edit, and I'm not very good with editing, but I'm learning slowly. Sometimes you do want to give up because of the effort that it takes. But what I constantly remind myself is the purpose with which I do it, and the purpose is to share Christ and to share my Christ encounter with others. So that's been a motivating factor for me, which has kept me going. Also currently, I have to do these videos on my own. I bought myself a camera stick, which is quite short, so I think I did that by accident. I thought it was going to be a long camera stick, but I have to work with what I've got. So yeah, so this is some things that I wanted to share with the people who have asked me why I decided to start doing the YouTube videos. And most importantly, I want to let the young people and whoever you are, if you're inspired by these videos, pray and ask God, what is it that you should do? Don't be afraid to share Christ with others, even if it's not through social media, but through other ways. Try and use your creative ways, your talents, whatever God has gifted you, use it and live a purpose-filled life. How long I will continue this for, I'm not sure, but definitely I hope to continue this during this time of the pandemic, to bring hope, to bring a message of peace and joy, that God is good and He loves, and He loves each one of us. It doesn't matter who we are.